Hi, my name is Eric and I'm the Techy agent, and this is my full hands-on review of the new Mio Fuse. So I've had a couple days to use the Mio Fuse and put it through its paces, and I took it over to Dedicated Motivated, owned and operated by Stephen Hartman. If you live anywhere in the Dayton or Cincinnati, Ohio area, check them out at www.dedicatedmotivated.com. I'll tell you, they've gotten me into ridiculously good shape. So on with the review here. Right out of the box, this is one of the simplest fitness trackers to operate. It's very simple. It's basically just got 3 different buttons on it. 2 different arrows to scroll through different menus, and then a center button that you hold to start a workout, and then you hold to stop the workout. Pretty much that simple. So I worked out with the device, both doing cardio and also weight training, and the device did a spectacular job holding my heart rate. I was very impressed, even better than my Adidas Fit Smart, which to me has been my go-to device for the last couple of months, simply because none of these new optical heart rate monitors that are coming out that are based for the wrist have been very accurate. And so I was very pleased to see that the heart rate monitor on this held steady throughout any exercises I threw at it. Build quality of the device is fantastic. I'm sure it can take pretty much whatever you throw at it. Since it doesn't have a glass screen, it's going to be very durable for any of the weightlifting or CrossFit styled exercises. Obviously, since it's waterproof, you could wear this into the shower or even take it with you swimming in the pool. Even tight against the wrist, the device is very comfortable. It's aesthetically sporty. There's, again, a great build quality and a durability. So all of that's there. So the real question then becomes, what about the app? And is the data and the metrics that the device is collecting, is that usable and helpful to the user? So as soon as you open up the app, it asks you to set up a profile, connect to your device, and then do a workout. Now the reason for the workout is because of a third-party app issue, which I'll get to later. Overall, it was super easy to set up a profile and connect my phone to the Fuse. Now once your app is connected to the Fuse, essentially the app becomes a controller, helping you set up the device and customize the way that you see data on the device. You can set up the device for 2 different kinds of modes. One is called a zone alert mode, and the other one is called a training zone mode. Now essentially what those different modes are is that you assign different beats per minute, your heart, to one of the different many LED colors. So you can have up to 5 colors or 3 colors, and that's the difference between the 2 modes. If you click on any of those modes, it will allow you to assign what beat per minute you want to the different LED. Now it sets it up basically for you depending on your age and weight and sex, but you can adjust the beats per minute for the different target zones, and then those LEDs will light up on the band as you're working out to tell you if you're in the zone or not. So back out at your main setup screen again, you can customize what different information you're going to see on the device. What they're calling it a screen, but it's just an LED display. So you can see under device settings, you can customize what information you would see during a workout. You can customize what information you'll see when you're just in all-day mode, when you're not working out. So this screen, for example, is the workout screen where you can customize, depending on what you're doing, what you would see. You can select from their preset running, biking, or hiking, or you can select option to do custom screens, which is what I did. And I set it up so that when I'm working out, all I see are calories, distance, steps, and the time I've been working out. Now it's worth noting that Mio uses this app for both the Mio Alpha and the Mio Fuse, and I think there's some other products as well. But here's why it's worth mentioning. The data collected on the Mio Alpha, not the Fuse, the Alpha, was viewable on the app. So you could see things like daily activities, you could see exercises and workouts for the week, and if your goals have been reached and whatnot, and then you got specific workout sessions that you can break down and see what your heart rate was, how many calories you've burned, and so on and so forth. Those screens that I've just showed you are not viewable yet, at least for the Mio Fuse. You have to use a third-party app to compile and extrapolate the data from the device. So Mio provides a list of apps on their website, third-party apps that are compatible with the Fuse, so that way you can extrapolate the data in a usable way. And so they have different apps that they suggest for those that are weightlifters or just all-around fitness enthusiasts, for runners, joggers, and for cyclists. So on one hand, it's cool that you can use a third-party app that maybe you're already familiar with and enjoy using to view the data that the Mio Fuse collects. But I also felt that it's kind of sloppy. I felt that Mio should have provided out of the box an ability to show users all of the data and metrics collected in a native app without having to go with a third-party source. So in the meantime, until Mio can update their app in order to view the data collected on the device, you'll have to use a third-party app, and the Mio app itself will just act as a controller, so you can change the settings and viewable information on the device while you're using it. Now, in spite of my frustrations with the app, I still have to say that I really like this device. It's durable, it's accurate, and it's comfortable. And you know what? What else could you want from a fitness tracker? I'm willing to, try out third-party apps and find one that I like in order to use this device. You can pick it up on the Mio website or Amazon or Best Buy for $150. You can choose from either red or blue highlights. Again, I've already said this on my preview of the device, but the only other thing that I wish that it had was sleep tracking. For some of you, that may not be a necessary function that you want, and for others of you, maybe that's, your hill to die on. But if you're looking for something that is comfortable, accurate, and durable, this is your device. My name is Eric, and I'm the Techy Agent. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for our Christmas giveaway.